Today we are going to perform the practical number 12, that is Thevenin's theorem. Okay, this is the actual circuit diagram of this practical. Here one voltage source, three resistances, that is R1, R2 and R3, then one ammeter and one load resistance is connected. Okay. This is the observation table for this practical. In this practical we have to measure the supply voltage, then VTH, that is Thevenin's voltage, and then RTH, that is Thevenin's resistance. Okay, then we will see the actual setup for this practical. This is the Thevenin's theorem trainer kit. Okay, then we can do the connection as per circuit diagram. First we have to connect the voltage source V1, okay, then we have to connect the resistance R1, R2 and R3. Okay, this dark line shows these are the internally connected. Then we have to connect the load resistance and 1 milliammeter. Thus circuit get completed. Okay, then we will see the actual procedure for this practical. First connect the 230 volt supply. Okay, then switch on this supply. Okay, then connect the voltmeter and adjust the V1 to read the 8 volt on the meter. Okay, we can adjust the supply voltage at 8 volt with the help of this knob. Okay, then connect the current meter in the circuit with the proper polarity using the patch cord, so that RL also get connected. Then adjust the RL up to 0.6669 kilo ohm with the help of multimeter. Okay, with the help of this knob we can adjust RL up to 0.670 kilo ohm. Okay, then now measure the open circuit voltage, that is VTH, at the point where voltmeter is shown by dotted line. VTH, that is the Thevenin's voltage. Okay, VTH is 2.28 volt. Okay, now we can measure the RTH. Then we can disconnect the jumper link of V1 and short circuit the resistance R1 and R3, that is the point B and H, using patch cord. Now measure the equivalent resistance of the network, that is at the point where voltmeter is shown by dotted line, and this is the Thevenin's Thevenin's resistance. Okay, Thevenin's resistance is 0.15 kilo ohm. Okay, thus in this practical we have to measure the VTH, that is Thevenin's voltage, and RTH, that is Thevenin's resistance.